Hi there, hi boys and girls, we are back again. Yes, back again for the third Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional. Yes, Saturday, January the 2nd, 2021. Yes. And the third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this will be number 2101. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then, Then, let me see, 3, double O, here 1, there 1, alright. And now, do I need to compare, is the question. Let me see, 3, no. 1, 2, 3, no. 3, 4, no. Difficult. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think I need to compare this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those two boxes, digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be a O. Otherwise, if I place an O there and there and 1, then we have identical rows. Identical rows or columns are not allowed in a binary. Alright, one of the rules. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then, do I need to compare again? That's the question. Yes. Oh, double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's now. So the rest are 1's in this last column. Alright. 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. A double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. A double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.